Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 4a and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's tap on this button at the center so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's go to this button from the right. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the photo category in the settings, and here we have camera photo resolution option. When we tap here, we can change it from the full resolution to the medium resolution. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, so the full one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.